Welcome everyone to another episode video of this educational and training activities that we all can use in our daily life. Today we are going to talk about how to harness the power of AI language models like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Google Gemini, many more as well, to enhance our productivity and streamline our workflow. Let's get started. So let's start by understanding the key principles of crafting prompts for these AI models. Use natural language. Be specific and concise. Make it a conversation. Consider the desired tone for the content. Now, let's dive into practical examples of how to utilize these principles with each AI model. Imagine you need to summarize a recent meeting or brainstorm ideas for a project report. How can you leverage these AI tools? With Google Gemini, you can request a summary of a meeting transcript, allowing you to quickly extract key insights and action items. Now, let's say you are coding and need assistance with writing code snippets or exploring new solutions. How can AI assist you? Microsoft Copilot can generate code snippets based on your requirements, helping you save time and explore different coding solutions efficiently. Finally, imagine you are drafting an important email or crafting marketing copy. How can AI language models aid in your writing process? ChatGPT can generate persuasive email content or marketing copy tailored to your specific needs, enabling you to communicate effectively with your audience. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Remember to like, subscribe, recommend, and share the love with many more people. If you find this useful, perhaps many more people would find it too. My name is Sander. Until next time. Ciao.